Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing everybody's favorite. Screen door has a hole. It's letting in bees, birds, and stray children. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's get to it. First, we're going to pull the screen door down. Lift and bring out the bottom. First things first, we need to find a flat surface to lay this on. Now let's remove the screen door handle. Phillips head. Now before you comment anything, this handle was broken when I got here. After we get it rescreened, we'll run down and grab a handle. Okay, now we want to flip it over to the spline side up. Now we're going to start in a corner and pull the spline. Now pull your screen. Take our new screen, set it at the end, and unroll it to cover. Now we take our new spline, start it in a corner, and push it in the track. Now you can take your roller and walk it down. Now when we get to the corner, we're just going to fold it into the 90-degree angle and continue rolling it on down. Now on our third side, we're going to make sure our screen is pulled tight, but we're not going to pull it with any amount of pressure. We're just going to keep it taut. Otherwise, it's going to warp your screen. You can keep pressure with this hand and roll it down. Same with the final side. Keep it taut, but don't stretch it. Now check, make sure it's not warped and the screen is tight. Now that we know we're right, we're gonna cut the spline, and now we're gonna trim off the excess screen. Make sure you have a nice sharp blade and definitely take your time. If you have any of these stubborn strands, make sure you cut them, because if you pull them, it's going to ruin your screen. Now we take our newly screened door, fit it back up in the track. Working awesome. Well, except for this missing handle. So that's it. You just rocked that replacement screen on your slider screen door, and now you can start inviting people over to your house again. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.